You have seen them and probably have used them.
Okay.
But what exactly are they? JSX fragments. Wait, why do we even use them? First, let's take a closer look at JavaScript functions. A JavaScript function can only return one value. This can be a simple string or some variable. How about an array? Or some JavaScript object? It is always one value. Functional components in React are JavaScript functions that return JSX. They can also return one JSX element. So this won't work. Wrapping them with a div element is a good solution. But what if you don't want to introduce unwanted divs to your DOM? Plus, unwanted elements may give you performance issues and clutter your HTML tree. Use a fragment instead. Fragments do not introduce new elements to your DOM. Fragments allow you to wrap and group elements together where you need to have a single element. Also, you can use the fragment as a fragment tag, enabling you to use fragments inside loops with the key attribute. And finally, pass in the children prop. That's all about fragments. Thank you for watching.